Here I am again. I'm reading part 2 of question 1. How did life begin? What does the evidence reveal? The answer to the question, where do babies come from, is well documented and uncontroversial. Life always comes from pre-existing life. However, if we go back far enough in time, is it really possible that this fundamental law was broken? Could life really spontaneously spring from non-living chemicals at all? The chances that such an event could happen. Researchers have learned that for a cell to survive, at least three different types of complex molecules must work together. DNA, deoxyribon, nucleic acid, RNA, ribon, nucleic acid, and proteins. Today, few scientists would assert that a complete living cell suddenly formed by chance from a mix of inanimate chemicals was so. Is a probability that RNA or proteins could form by chance. The, the footnote reads, the probability of DNA forming by chance will be discussed in section 3. Where did the instructions come from? And a footnote. Many scientists feel that life could arise by chance because of an experiment was conducted in 1953. In that year, Stanley L. Miller was able to produce some amino acids, the chemical building blocks of proteins, by discharging electricity into a mixture of gases that was thought to represent the atmosphere of primitive Earth. Since then, amino acids have also been found in a meteorite. Do these findings mean that all the basic building blocks of life could easily be produced by chance? Songwriter says Robert Shapiro, Professor Emeritus of Chemistry at New York University, have presumed that all life's building blocks could be formed with these Miller-type experiments and were present in meteorites. This is not the case. The footnote reads, Professor Shapiro does not believe that life was created. He believes that life arose by chance in some fashion not yet fully understood. In 2009, scientists at the University of Manchester, England, reported making some NuCleotides in their lab. However, Shapiro states that their recipe definitely does not meet my criteria for a plausible pathway to the RNA world. End of footnote. Consider the RNA molecule. It is constructed of smaller molecules called NuCleotides. A NuCleotide is a different molecule from an amino acid and is only slightly more complex. Shapiro says that no NuCleotides of any kind have been reported as products of spark discharge experiments or in studies of meteorites. He further states that the probability of a self-replicating RNA molecule randomly assembling from a pool of chemical building blocks is so fascinatingly small that is happening even once anywhere in the visible universe will count as a piece of exceptional good luck. Stanley Miller, 1953. What about protein molecules? They can be made from as few as 50 or as many as several thousand amino acids bound together in a highly specific order. The average functional protein in a simple cell contains 200 amino acids. Even in those cells, there are thousands of different types of proteins. The probability that just one protein containing only 100 amino acids could ever randomly form on Earth has been calculated to be about 1 chance in a million billion. That's the end of part 2. Bye for now.